You people did not tell me that they don't shout or they don't scream on your kids if you are outside in Rome, I be in Italy. You people did not tell me. These are some of the culture shocks that I experienced while in Rome. Welcome back to the channel. My name is OGOM'S series. Do well to subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, share, and let's get right into it. It's no longer news that I am in Rome. Should I be saying Rome or Italy? I am currently in Rome, but before this video goes up, it might be going up when I must have left this country because we came for vacation. So, some of the culture shock that I experienced here is that language barrier, communication is key. These people, some of them, they know they hear English. You see common English, like how I'm communicating with you people now. Some of them, they don't know what you are talking about. Go, come, cup, plate, they don't know it. What they know is that they are Italian. The day I went to the market, I was even doing both hand language, both sign language, food, rice, food, English.
Big, it's too big. Small one. Communication adheres. Hey, asochala mo ibota. See, curry powder. This one, how much? €1.50. Okay, €1.50.
Then, if you enter the cab, you have to ask them English so that you'll be able to explain to them where you are going. If not, they're gonna carry you where you do not know. English is a very I thought English is a universal or a common language that everyone should know before your own language comes, but I noticed that in some places they know they hear English, they know they speak English. So communication or language barrier is one of the culture shock that I noticed in Rome. Another culture shock that shocked me is dogs. They are like nketa, they like dog. You will see an old man or an old woman. If you see the bulldog that these people will carry, you now be asking, abeg, who is dragging who? Is it the dog that is dragging the owner, or be the owner that is dragging big bulldog like this? Some of them, when we were coming from Nigeria, some of them, they flew with their dog. Dog get space for flight. Shebi people can see now. Dog get space for flight. They fly with their dog. Dog will enter flight with you. And most of them, you will just be walking like this. What you will now, whoa, you will turn back, you will see dog. Dog is like their best friend. That is what I noticed here. My brother, my sister, but dog, oh my God, they love dog. You will see some people, they will carry like 3-4 dogs. 2 people carry 2 here, carry 2 here. I'll now be wondering, how do you people even feed this dog? With the amount of euros that I see, I will now calculate it in Nigerian naira. You will get 2 dogs. You'll be feeding 2 dogs. My brother, my sister, it shocked me when I come here. They get dog. Like, I think that every household in Rome, they get dog. Another culture shock that I experienced is that Sirene is everywhere. Every minute of the day, like within 1 minute, you will hear like 5 sirens. Hey! I am more than I ever. Every minute of the day. Oh. Yes, within 1 minute. When I say within 1 minute, within 1 minute, you will hear like 5 sirens. And when I asked, they told me that there are a lot of old people in Rome and they used to like get emergency and the rest of them. And I love how swift their siren is. Piaram, siren is already blowing everywhere. Even like very early in the morning, you never wake up. It's the siren that will wake you up from sleep, because I noticed that most of their houses are by the roadside. Like you will see a window, by your window side, you will even see a store. I can remember one day that I was finding it so hard to sleep because of I have catarrh and I couldn't sleep. I was just tossing around the bed. The apartment we were staying has as in the same wall with a shop. It's both of us that open shop. Sound of plates, ipokorom, they are setting up their plates, they are setting up their canopy. Like every single thing they did in that shop, I heard it from my window because it's very close to the main road. Siren was blowing up and down, and I noticed that sometimes like their nightlife is very high, even as late as 1 a.m. 2 a.m. some of the cabs, you can still hear some cars going on the road, and you now be asking, these people, they know they sleep. I mean, every day they club, but you people don't sleep. 1 a.m. 2 a.m. 3 a.m. cars are already on the road. I was now asking myself, why did we even get an apartment that is close? But most of their houses are very close to the road. Like you will see so many shops in front of your apartment or even in front of your house. We were staying in an apartment. You will see like so many shops in front of an apartment or in front of a house. So I was like Sirene is the order of the day here. And once they start moving on the road, cars used to clear up for them because you don't know the emergency that they are going for. Another culture shock that shocked me is that shouting or screaming or spanking kids, it is not allowed here. Even when Lotana do anyhow and you want to just scream small, all of them will turn like this and start looking at you, and you now be asking, is it that you people don't scream, you don't shout on your kids, you don't scream at them, or if they do something wrong, oh, you did a nice job, my brother, my sister, Lotan, will you come here? They will look at me like this. You now dare raise hand like this to beat. All of them, their eyes are already on you. And I never see any of their children cry. My brother, my sister, I don't see any Oyibo children cry. I hardly see their children cry. But you see us, Lotana, whenever we go out, Lotana might cry like 10 times before we come back. Not that we will spank him, not that we will scream on him, but because he wants to be at every point, like he wants to be everywhere. He wants to be everywhere. He wants what he wants. He wants to touch every single thing that he sees. And when you drag him out, he's already crying. Sit here, they will enter train. Lotana, sit down. You cannot hold that thing. The train used to stop. You will fall. No. From there, he's already crying. Lotana will cry like 10 times in a day. But they are Oyibo children. They cry, but not as the way Lotana cry. Not beside they compare, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Some of their children, they know they cry. They will just carry them in that their baby's trolley and be pushing them. Pack plenty toys inside. And when they cry like this, they will grab them. They will pet them like this. Quack, 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 like this. The child will stop crying. But you see us, Nigeria, African children. Ooh-ah! Ooh-ah!
Who you? Who born you? How to exist?
That's how Lotana was crying. Lotana know they cry like normal children. Lotana, they cry like, oh my God, my Lotana is not abnormal. But Lotana doesn't cry like normal cry. Lotana screams. Lotana shouts. That is his crying. And when you tell him to calm down, he will raise his voice. So the culture shock here is that I never hear baby cry. Even by my window, I haven't heard any child cry. Even when we go out, they are pushing them in their baby's trolley. You know, you won't hear pim, pim. You no go hear. You know, everybody's just having fun. Me, I will see all those their children. I'll just be looking at them. I'll be saying, some of them, their eyes is not like our white and black eyes. Some of them, their eyes is like golden, bluish, greenish. I'll just be looking at them. Sometimes I will get carried away where I'm looking at Oyibo children. Their children can find. You will see how this their hair is in the koi. All these Brazilian hair and bow straights we used to buy. You will just see them on say now no step like this. If I catch you in one corner like this, I will carry your hair and be going to Nigeria. Hair sellers, they don't suppose they open because all of them, their eye will be on those hairs, on those their white hairs. Almost their children know they cry and they can be so beautiful. If you look at Oyibo children, my brother, my sister, you will born 12, you will born 20, reach house. I'm telling you, because their babies will be turning your ovary like this. I kept saying, every time we go out, I'll be saying, my brother, my sister, finish for my mouth. Another culture shock I experienced in Rome, Italy is stopping for people to pass. Where I am coming from, I'm coming from Nigeria. And Nigeria, where I am, hey, no car is gonna stop for you. Let me tell you now, if you want to come to Nigeria, no car is gonna stop for you. Yes, you are the one to stop for car. But here, you see that white line, all those white line you will see. Once the light turns green, they obey that. Even when the light does not turn green and there are plenty people standing at the bus stop, cars will stop for people to pass. I experienced it. Cars will stop for me to pass. It shocked me. I say in Nigeria, cars stop for me to pass? Yeah. I got kuji go up. Bike or keke from nowhere, when you are passing like this, they will break your leg, they will hit you. But here in Rome, cars will stop for you. They will even be telling you to pass. Sometimes we were scared to pass, we will just stand like this. But the man or the person driving will tell us, go, 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 go. My brother, my sister, cars were stopping for us to pass. It shocked me because I know where I'm coming from. They're not gonna stop for you. If not, instead, they will hit you. Now, hospital you dey. That's one of the culture shock that I experienced here, and I must really applaud Ndi Obodo Ibo that are doing a great job stopping for people to pass. So I don't know for other countries because this is my first time of coming to abroad. This is my first time of coming to Obodo Ibo. So now this one I experienced when I relocate to other countries, because it seems I'm gonna be relocating every year. Yes, I should be relocating every year because it be like saying a relocation on I want for this channel. Oh, the kind of views that you people gave me in my relocation, I never see that views for my life, for my channel. I've seen it, but it comes like once in a while. You people wowed me. Now relocation on I want. No worry, say no more. I'm gonna, if possible, I'm gonna be relocating every month. Every month I'm gonna go to another country. Today I will go to UK. This month I will go to UK. The next month I will relocate to Canada. The next month I will relocate to Australia. The next month I will relocate to India. Maintenance money. This come that we have come, it has opened door for so many things for us. Our passports, is not the time that we will be renewing passports. We won't use it and go anywhere. We don't renew passport how many years now? Both my own, my husband's own, and my children's own. We have been renewing passports. We know they travel out of the country. But this one that they have stamped for us, as we have come to this room, Italy, it has opened doors for more traveling for us. I am manifesting it in this 2025. Okay. Okay. So, what is the now? So, this has opened doors for more travels for us. Another culture shock that I experienced here is that most of their houses are old houses, but once you enter them, it is beautiful. It is breathtaking. The first apartment that we went to, the outside was looking old. But when we entered inside, oh my God, it looks so beautiful, especially the second apartment that we came to. The outside was looking, the windows were looking old, but inside, oh my God, all the bedroom has a bathroom inside. Like they have toilet and bathroom inside every room that we stayed in this particular apartment. And from what we saw in bookings.com, their houses are beautiful. Like inside the houses are beautiful, but the outside will be giving like one local vibes. Is when you enter inside, like this is what they say, that do not judge a book by its cover. Now when you enter inside, happy here then a moto ba moto, leave waiting the right outside and enter inside. That is what shocked me when we entered, because when we got there, they told us that this is the place we'll be staying. I told my husband, now here, why is the house looking like this? But when we entered inside, we were shocked, and their houses, some of their apartments are looking so beautiful, like so beautiful. And one thing I will also encourage you is that if you want to travel to any country and you're looking for an apartment, make sure that you go through bookings.com. But if you go to that bookings.com, please and please read the reviews that you see there. Some of the reviews, I know that most of them or some of them were written maybe by whereby one person that don't really like something about that apartment, the person will now create like different accounts and be writing like bad reviews. But make sure that you read the reviews of any apartment that you want to stay in. Bookings.com was the place whereby we got the 2 apartments that we have stayed in. So always make sure that you go through bookings.com to get any apartments in any country that you are moving to. So I don't want this video to be so long. These are some of the culture shocks that I experienced in Rome, Italy, and I hope that you guys enjoyed all the videos that I have been giving you guys. And if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate you guys' love and support. My darling. Nancy can make a video. Since
reply wrong,
because let's be going. I've been waiting for you people since. Yes, I have spaghetti. Because me. That spaghetti is too. I noticed. I noticed that one we got in that Toby's.
What spaghetti?
I thought it was spaghetti when we saw it there, and I cooked it. When I cooked it, the thing was looking.
It's really tiny ones. That's why it cooks fast now. It's not like the regular one.
So it's like parboiled rice.
No. You don't have